Imagine yourself in this Ford 2016 Explorer Limited. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Enjoy these notable features: camera system, front, rear view camera, rear view monitor and dash, steering wheel mounted controls, voice recognition controls. Memorized settings includes driver seat, memorized settings includes liftgate, phone voice activated, navigation system, touch screen display and stability control. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.